Welcome to back my channel Car Crashed. Please subscribe, like, share. The motorcycle industry has been embracing retro designs with modern performance, and 2025 is no exception. Whether you're a fan of vintage aesthetics or a rider looking for a balance between classic style and cutting-edge technology, this year's lineup has something for everyone. Here are the top retro motorcycles of 2025 that stand out from the crowd. Triumph Bonneville T120 Black Edition. Triumph has taken its legendary Bonneville T120 and given it a modern yet classic blacked-out look. With a 1200cc parallel twin engine, improved electronics, and a refined chassis, it retains the iconic 1960s charm while offering ABS, traction control, and ride modes for a smooth ride. Honda CB1100X. Honda has revived its classic CB1100 in a new avatar, blending old-school cafe racer styling with futuristic performance. It features a redesigned air-cooled 1100cc inline-4 engine, a lightweight frame, and retro-styled LED headlights. Royal Enfield Interceptor 850. Building on the success of the Interceptor 650, Royal Enfield has launched the new 850cc version, offering a more powerful engine while keeping its signature 1960s roadster appeal. The bike retains its twin exhaust design, wire spoke wheels, and relaxed ergonomics, making it perfect for long rides. Ducati Scrambler Classic 1100. Ducati continues to push the scrambler category with the 2025 Classic 1100. This bike offers an updated L-twin engine, improved suspension, and a vintage-inspired fuel tank design. It now comes with cornering ABS and advanced traction control for safety without compromising its raw, retro appeal. Yamaha XSR 900 Heritage Edition. Yamaha's XSR series has always paid homage to its classic bikes, and the 2025 XSR 900 Heritage Edition takes inspiration from the 1980s GP bikes. Featuring a torquey 900cc inline-3 engine, a round LED headlamp, and a color scheme reminiscent of the legendary Yamaha racing era, this bike is a perfect blend of nostalgia and power. Kawasaki Z900RS SE. Kawasaki's Z900RS has been a favorite among retro motorcycle enthusiasts, and the new SE version enhances its performance with upgraded suspension and Brembo brakes. Inspired by the classic Z1 of the 1970s, the bike retains its teardrop fuel tank, round headlamp, and timeless appeal. BMW R Ninette 100th Anniversary Edition. To celebrate 100 years of BMW Motorrad, the company has introduced a special edition of the R Ninette. It features hand-finished paintwork, chrome accents, and a powerful 1170cc boxer engine. This limited edition model is a collector's dream, blending heritage with high-end craftsmanship. Final thoughts. Retro motorcycles in 2025 are proving that classic design never goes out of style. With modern performance enhancements, these bikes offer the best of both worlds, timeless aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. Whether you prefer cafe racers, scramblers, or vintage roadsters, there's a perfect retro ride for you this year. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Would you like a script version for your YouTube video as well?